We want to solve the equation cos of x plus 40 degrees is 0.85 for values of x between 0 and 360. We're going to use the cast diagram as we've done in previous examples. Start with our equation, the cosine of x plus 40 degrees is equal to 0.85. The principal value is then obtained for x plus 40 degrees by doing shift cos or inverse cos of 0.85 on the calculator. And this gives us 31.8 degrees to 1 decimal place. We can put that onto our cast diagram, and since it's a cosine and it's positive, the other one will be in the C quadrant, and symmetry means it's 31.8 degrees below the horizontal axis. We now want values from 0 to 360, so starting at 0, we go around and find our first solution at 31.8. Remember, we're solving for x plus 40 degrees. The next solution is all the way round at 31.8 before 360, so we do 360 take away 31.8, which is 328.2 degrees. To get x now, we need to subtract 40 from both sides, and this gives us minus 8.2 degrees and 288.2 degrees. But minus 8.2 degrees is not a valid solution since it's not between 0 and 360 degrees. In order to deal with this, we'll continue around here and find